Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to take off a mirror off 2004 Yukon door mirror. What you want to do is get behind here and pry these tabs off. Now my mirror is already broken. As you can see, I could have used my finger and pulled it off here, but I'm showing you how you do it if you still have the glass intact. There you go. Here's a mirror here. My mirror got busted because I was parked on the street dropping off my kids, and some fucking wise guy sideswiped my mirror. When I came out, mirror was like this. This plate was on there, and this glass was sitting on the ground and shit. So here we are, $20 later. I found this mirror on Amazon, and let's go ahead and put it on. This is what I got from Amazon. Looks identical. Same number of tabs. Now, I noticed it didn't come with this garment here, so I'm gonna reuse it just so I get that fitment. But the only thing is this has a cutout here. This has a cutout, I guess, for a turn signal to blend through. But there you have it. Here are your, all you gotta do is connect the wires back. This is a heated mirror, so connect your heated mirror wires back, and looks like they're the same. Looks like that's it, guys. Alright, looks like it's in. Just gotta push it in slightly. Make sure those tabs clip in, but seems like it might be it. Now, like I said, this whole time I didn't know my truck had heated mirrors, because again, this is the original mirror. When they hit it, took it right off. You see the heating element, but this whole time I didn't know it had any heated mirrors because it had never had a symbol here. This one does, so So that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so after cleaning it, as you can see, it's not bad. It looks just like OEM, but without the OEM price. Again, I got this from Amazon, 20 bucks, free shipping. It got here really quick. I ordered it like on the 31st. It got here like on the 3rd, so it took like 3 days, 4 days max to get here, which, you know, 5 stars for that. But there you have it. That's how you change your mirror on a 2004 GMC Yukon. Thank you.